Soldering microchip, soldering metal now is so quick and convenient. Our mini Germany soldering machines go along with the recently latest technology which will replace all traditional soldering machine. Now we can solder everything, everywhere so easily. This machine specializing in repairing electronic components or refrigeration components to make your work faster. Optimized for the purpose of being both compact when transporting and ensuring a large working capacity. The machine has a comfortable handle, which is not slippery when in use. Design of plastic handle, gun shape, metal welding tip with rough coating, 220 volts input power provides a huge amount of heat. Product warranty 5 years, one exchange one within 6 months. Only today 50% discount and attractive gift combos for 50 lucky customers who order today.